Hey ChynaGang, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about it. You guessed it. We are going to talk about the Apple event of 2021.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Okay, so first thing is first, I want to just say thank you to all of you guys that have been supporting the winning team. You guys know it means a lot to me that you guys are still here. You guys are still watching the content. I see you guys are still commenting. So for those that have stayed and have continued to support, I greatly appreciate it. And we will continue to grow and still build and build and build. But today, let's get into it, right? Many of you guys probably may have already known this because this is a big event that Apple normally has their yearly events where they launch most of their products. We're in springtime, you know, it's 2021. Apple has been getting a lot of rumors on products that they're going to be releasing. This is supposed to be like a major release. I mean, let's be real, every time Apple releases something I feel like it's major, but but realistically this is going to be something completely different, completely out of what we are expecting. It's going to be a lot of revamping, remodeling. So first thing is first, like I mentioned, these are all rumors, obviously, because technically we won't know until the event. And yeah, these are all like speculations, but these are looking to be what it's gonna be. It's giving what it needs to give, if you guys catch what I'm saying, okay? So the first product that is rumored to change is the new iPad Pro that's supposed to be coming out. First product that is supposed to be rumored to having a remake is the iPad Pro. The iPad Pro is supposedly supposed to have an 11, currently in the hall it's 11 and a 12.9 inch for the Pro models. So it's expected that the LED display would be upgraded, and there should be some rumors of the mini LED technology that is offered into the iPad. They were having some issues with actually creating that, or at least it was rumored that they were having issues with creating that. So I can't say that I expect a mini LED, but that would be super fire if they came out with a mini for that. Also, in addition to the lineup, they're supposedly releasing a new Apple Pencil 3. Apple Pencil 3 is supposed to be compatible with the next generation of iPad Pros, so it's gonna be, I don't really know how much more it can give other than what we already know Apple Pencil to do, which is just connecting and allowing a easier user experience when using the iPad Pro lineup currently. But they are mentioning that it's possible that it can come in black, so that will be actually interesting to see if they do decide to make changes. Continuing into the iPad world, they're supposed to be upgrading and having an iPad mini 6 release. I would say that is probably more likely that that would be the case, because there have been a lot of rumors talking about this new iPad mini release that they're supposed to be coming out with. So I do expect that to actually be true, and I wouldn't be surprised if we see a new mini. A lot of the changes probably won't be design based. It would just be strictly like the LED, better LED screen. I think also I saw somewhere that it's possible that they might have a 9-inch. So it doesn't really seem like the mini would be anything different than other than the upgrades in product specs, which is what Apple tends to do when they release the new product. So also, in addition, everyone has been talking about the new A13 chip that should be provided in the new iPads as well. So those are kind of the new things that we would expect Apple to do, which is upgrading the software as well as upgrading the hardware. So hardware concepts, that's the reason why you're purchasing. Let's go into Apple's next big release, which is AirTags. Now, I've been hearing so much about these AirTags. I've heard about it since the year before last. I've seen you know, rumors about it. So I do feel like this is gonna be a go, guys. I really do feel like Apple will release these AirTags, only because realistically I feel like they've been working on it for so long, and I mean, it makes sense. You know, it's just a tracking mechanism similar to Tiles. If you guys are familiar with that, it's just to be able to track your devices if you are a person that loses like your keys and stuff like that. It's really helpful. Even your phone, it's just really easy for a lot of people to track their devices, so be on the lookout for that. Next will be the iMac. I'm so excited about this remodel because, guys, not only are they remodeling the iMacs to represent the Pro line, they're also going to be providing an XDR monitor, and on top of that, it's supposed to come in a variety of colors like green, pink, similar to the iPad Pro, iPad Air lineup that they had, which is like the blue, the rose gold, the green, and even black, as well as probably silver, like their regular iMacs. But that is so, honestly, like, I feel like that is so necessary. And then obviously the new chips, the M1 chips, they're gonna be a machine to reckon with, and I can't wait to see what they are giving, because I'm so here for it. And I know I'm team like, well, rose gold and team blue, but I love the blues that Apple's products release, and then I love also the rose gold. So I'm super excited to see the new design. It's always exciting for me to see a new design that Apple comes out with, so I can't wait. And another note, they're also probably going to be coming out with some new iPad, well, not iPad, Apple Watch bands and iPhone cases. They tend to do this a lot, especially right now because it's spring. So be expected to see like some new yellows, you know, blues, reds, that kind of thing. Expect to see that probably in the lineup as well with the Apple Watch band. So if you're looking to get a new case or a new Apple Watch band, you might want to wait. And then in addition, they've talked a lot about their new MagSafe battery pack. So this would just be a nice portable way to charge your phone. This I do expect them to release. It's not much of upgrade or a change, but I do feel like this would be something that's useful, especially for accessories. It's also a nice gift to give someone, especially if you're on the go a lot and you kind of just like move around and need an extra backup way to charge your phone. That would be a nice gift to give someone. Also, they've mentioned it's possible a 14.5 software upgrade should be released as well. It's rumored that Apple TV also might have a change. I don't really foresee this actually coming out right now because yes, there is rumors about the new Apple TV, but realistically the only changes I really see talked about is their change in the Apple remote, which they'll be redesigning. I don't really see much major changes, so I don't know if they would really release that. Now, what I've been waiting for, it's possible that they might be releasing a new MacBook Pro, guys. Yes, a new MacBook Pro. This Pro will obviously provide the new M1 chip, similar to all the new MacBook Pros that have been released thus far for the new year, as well as last year. And on top of that, it's supposed to be a 14-inch display screen that they're supposed to be coming out with. I can't wait to see, because personally, like, I have a 13-inch, right? But I really always felt like if they had a 14-inch, it would be ideal for me, because the 13-inch as a developer or even just a gamer or anything that you require a lot of detail, you prefer to have bigger screens. And I don't work solely on my desktops and on my dual screens all the time, so it's nice to have like a little bigger screen, just a little bigger, especially when you're on the travel and you're on the go. So I'm looking forward to that, as well as it's possible that they might be coming back with a USB port. We'll see. They're gonna provide the Type-C as well, but it's looking like it might have two Type-Cs as well as a USB port. Now next, there's possible rumors that there will be a new AirPod 3. Personally, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really foresee them changing much in the AirPods 3. The upgrade that they had, which was a software upgrade, converted over to the new AirPods just fine, so I don't really see them. The only thing that would have been pretty cool if they do release it, is providing a variety of colors. But Apple kind of bit or shot themselves in the foot with releasing the new studio headphones that they came out with, which were like a ridiculously crazy price for people to buy headphones in. So I don't know, I feel like their headphone situation right now, they are taking a hiatus, so I don't really foresee it being a big push, but it does make sense if Apple were to release A3 to the AirPods. So those are mainly the products that you guys can expect to see for this new Apple event. I know it's going to be a lot of talk. I'm deciding, I did a poll today to see if you guys would like me to do a live. I'm probably going to go on live with you guys at the event, so you guys can comment and, you know, do what you guys do best and communicate with me with whatever it is that you have questions on. So that's gonna be tomorrow as well, guys. So just so you know, I'm super excited. This is something I enjoy. I really enjoy when Apple does this, because I get surprised every time. Even though I'm telling you guys the products right now, I still get surprised. So yeah, so this is like the moment that I've been waiting for the new year. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please thumbs it up. Please thumb it up, share it. Make sure you share, comment, thumbsing up. I can't even speak today. If you hit that I can't talk. If you hit that like button down below, I would greatly appreciate it. Also, it definitely helps with the winning team. We are a team, so it helps push our team even further. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!